Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to fix THERMOMIX TM6 errors that say lid cannot be closed. If your lid cannot be closed and it displays an error, then first of all make sure that the mixing bowl is properly seated, which means if it's seated like that, it's improperly seated. It has to go in the center, it has to be pushed in, so you can see there's this cutout for the handle, it has to go in the center. Then put the lid on top and push it on so that it's there. Now let's see if it works. I'll twist the selector by just one. This is what it should look like. This is how the engaged locking arms should look like. If that doesn't happen, then you may want to also make sure that there's nothing blocking the lid. Look on the rims and see if there's nothing stuck in there. And also try restarting your robot by pressing and holding on the power button. It will shut down soon, and after shutdown wait for half a minute and then turn it back on. Now after half and it'll turn on. So that is basically it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.